Lingering cough is what one respirologist calls a post-infectious cough, and it can last as long as 8 weeks. Even if you're no longer sick with a respiratory infection, the cough can stick around from lingering inflammation.
It can be annoying, but it's
rapidly
not
spreading in our area.
Yeah, right now, according to the CDC data, the positivity rate of this virus in the Northeast is more than 15%, alarmingly high.
Dr. Dina
First
Abdullah.
confirmed case of measles in West Virginia since 2009. According to the CDC, as of April 19th, there were 125 confirmed measles cases across 18 states. Almost half
of the cicadas that were collected last week down near Champaign, Illinois, in central Illinois, and they have been infected by the so-called zombie fungus, which you would think would kill the cicadas, but actually this fungus just takes
a local anesthesiologist may have exposed more than 2,000 patients in the Portland area to HIV or hepatitis. Fox 12 investigative reporter Ezra Kaplan is joining us now with more on this.
CDC says a 6th person contracted bird flu after coming into contact with infected birds. The patient is a coworker of 5 poultry workers who also likely contracted the bird flu. The Colorado Department of Public Health
Organization has named Mpox a public health emergency of international concern for the second time. This is coming on the heels of cases skyrocketing in Africa and the continent sounding the alarm, asking for international.
Water has recalled nearly 2 million bottles due to contamination with manganese and bacteria. The affected bottles were distributed in Washington state and sold nationwide online. Customers are advised not to drink the water.
Sweden has confirmed its first case of the Mpox viral infection, making it the first case outside of Africa.
And this is just a day after the WHO declared the disease a global public health emergency. Swedish public health agencies
or push virus cases in tourists departing from Europe. Spain, Italy and Germany reported infections in numerous patients who had recently traveled to Cuba and Brazil. Outbreaks of the virus have caused health ministries.
Texas doctors are concerned about the rising number of babies born with syphilis. Now they want pregnant women to know what to do to prevent their babies from getting the disease.
9 others hospitalized. Those are the latest numbers in this outbreak. Health officials here in Long Beach, they declared a public health emergency. This happened on Thursday, and they say that this outbreak, it's tied to a group of people who were staying.
9% of all Americans have this in their blood.
Yet another chemical compound found in the Cape Fear River.
Chemicals used in consumer products like firefighting foam and non-stick
products
could lead to cancer. Certain floss has a chemical called PFAS, and that chemical has been associated with increased risk of heart attack, liver damage.
An outbreak among pig farmers in Malaysia. It is a highly infectious disease that primarily targets animals like bats, pigs, dogs, and horses.
Doctors are discovering how early onset of type 2 diabetes can increase the risk of various forms of dementia later in life. Cleveland Clinic neurologist Dr. Damon Salzman says that over time, increased blood sugar appears to affect the brain's ability to function.